Okay, so right now guys, ito yung aming room for today. And makikita nyo medyo madilim na yung ano no, yung ating video. But syempre we have to kasi madilim na taga. It's around 1 quarter to 2 in the morning. And matutulog pa kami. Magigising kami ng 5:30 kasi 6 a.m. is magbo-buffet ng breakfast. So we have to wake up early kasi meron pang tour tomorrow. Later pala. So medyo haggard pala yung ano natin ngayon yung ating travel. Basta sa Laag, go na go tayo. Okay, so chill na lang kami guys. Let's go. Okay, so right now guys, medyo hindi kami nakutulog guys kasi alanganin yung pagkain ko ng diba dumating kami dito sa mga 1 a.m. Ang nangyari, kumain ako, so medyo piti-piti ako ang tulog no. But definitely napaka-komportable dito sa Blue Boat Pattaya Hotel. Masarap din yung foods nila, very fresh. Yung prutas nila ay grabe, solid na solid talaga yung mga fruits. Sarap. Salad daw, veggie salad, grabe. Sarap ng mayo. And basically ay talagang na-enjoy ko no. Pero yung buffet, yung main dish, medyo hindi kasi nag-aalangan ako. Baka kasi medyo merong mga spicy. So nililiitan ko lang yung pagkuha. Ang nangyari, nakainom mo ng kape, so parang nawalan yung gana ko kumain. So right now guys, iikuti namin yung mga tourist spot dito sa Pattaya today, no? So I'm so excited. I think kahit kulang yung tulog ko, matutulog na lang siguro ako sa bus, no? On the way. Then yun na lang. Nakaw na lang tayo ng tulog. So yes, enjoy natin ang ating travel trip dito nga sa Pattaya, Thailand, and syempre sa Bangkok soon after 2 days. So thank you. So makikita nyo guys, ito yung tinutuluyan naming hotel. So yan yung nalimutan ko pa, parang Blue Hydra, parang gano'n, charot. So actually walang nakapangal. Ayun, meron pala. Meron. So merong Blue Boat Pattaya. No? So ito yung pangalan ng okay naman siya, no? At saka yung napakalinis ng place. Grabe, solid na solid to. Tapos meron silang cafe, restaurant. And grabe yung unlimited yung unlimited nila dito. Yung buffet every morning. Goods the goods. Okay, so lang tayo. Right now guys, ay magtutour na kami. Our second day. And basically chill na lang. So dirita? Sige. Okay, so right now guys, this is our second day dito nga sa Pattaya, Thailand. And basically tutur kami ngayon. So makikita nyo yung mga buildings, and parang nasa part kasi tayo dito sa Thailand, medyo malapit sa dagat. So we are so very privileged, no? And salamat kayo sa Davao Travel and Tours, syempre, for inviting us and dito nga sa Thailand para ma-experience, no, ng laking Davao ang Thailand, no? Diba? Solid na solid. And syempre enjoy lang tayo guys. So medyo menos lang tayo sa kumbaga kung meron lang time dyan, tulad dito, dito lang tayo gagawa ng video. So i-enjoy lang natin yung moment dito.
Welcome.
Thank you.
From back to front.
So right now guys, we are here sa Sleep Museum, no? So makikita nyo dito, this is, pagkakalam ko dito parang meron silang brand na tinatawag ay Quatex, no? So this is a Thai natural latex na nagtumutulong, no, para mas better yung pagtulog, no? So this is a very popular brand dito sa Thailand, no? Di lamang dito sa Pattaya kundi sa buong ang maganda dito sa nila, sa I don't know kung showroom ba tawag nila dito, kasi merong sariling cafe. Makikita mo dyan, oh. Oh, di ba? You can, meron silang Americano, latte, cappuccino for only 40 baht, 50 baht. Siyempre, iba't iba pa. So, meron din dito. Ay, meron pang taas. Wow, nice. Best creation dito. Dito lang yan sa La Galera or the Gallery of Sleep Museum. Dito nga sa Quatex. By the Quatex. Yay! Ultra-wide lang this. So this, ay, wow, nice. Museum din siya for kita niyo. Wow, this place is nice. So basic, tingnan nyo, makikita nyo dito guys. Okay, wala natin pakialam. Okay, so they also have sapatos. Okay. Nice, oh. And ang pagkakasabi nila dito guys is ang sole or outsole na ginagamit dito is gawa from airplane or same materials na ginagamit sa eroplano. Yun. Oh, di ba? Solid na solid.
Pwede ba sa sinihan?
Sige po, umuho kayo. Ano
tayo
niyo
umupo.
po to sa unahan? Sige ma'am, pasok po.
Pwede bigla ya?
Ano ta?
Meron tayong pelikula.
Spring siya. Ma-film niyo yung dito po tayo.
Ang masinto tani kung ang ilalo man niya is spring niya.
Yan po yung proper na, yung ipapatong niyo lang po yan sa niyo sa...
Ipapatong lang siya sa tupper
bed
para...
niyo, sa original...
Research Institute. A proper pillow should fit the curvature of your neck bone perfectly. With a height of around 4 to 6 inches, the center of the pillow should be soft to support the head and the back of the neck. The neck should not bend too much. If your head and neck are positioned on your pillow properly, you will be able to breathe easily, prevent snoring, and wake up without neck pain. The material stuffed in mattresses and pillows is also an important factor. Most pillows are stuffed with cheap, light materials such as kapok, but these materials are difficult to clean. Besides, kapok is full of dust, which can cause allergies. Duck and goose feathers are very fluffy, but they are costly and difficult to clean. Also, they must be kept completely dry. Otherwise, they could become dusty and have an unpleasant odor. These days, popular materials for bedding products are 1. Memory foam, which uses synthetic materials, and 2. 100% natural latex. Each type has its own specific properties.
Medyo masakit yung ating mga balikat. So, matigas po kasi. And then yung bed natin, minsan yung spring. So, kailangan talaga may cover. So, ito po yung kagandahan sa latex, no? So, nagpa-bounce po siya. So, and then we have another product po. Ito naman po yung... Pumunta na natin sa sir. Matutulog na to dito. Bukas ang gising nito. Hanggang bukas naman po kayo dito sa Pattaya, no?
Hindi, hatagan na kong sample.
Gigisingin na lang po kita.
You get original one.
So basically,
Many
sabi
sizes
nila
po.
guys, itong mga sapatos na to hindi siya available sa online or sa mall because this is government owned na company para ma-secure nila yung kanilang mga shoes na hindi ma-pirate kumbaga. So basically, this is a nice shoes just in case na gusto nyo ng kakaiba na brand and high quality na mga sapatos. Makikita nyo, ang dami nilang shoes dito.
Ito po yung...
And syempre, na talaga to? Kilala na ang company na to, ang Quatex, sa kanilang 100% na mga beds na latex yung ginagamit. And syempre, they also have the world first latex non-slip shoes. Oh, 'di ba? Meron pa sila, oh. Wow. Uy, okay, nice. Punta muna tayo ng restroom guys kasi medyo medyo naiihi na ako. And syempre, later kasi pupunta tayo sa other tourist spot, dapat naka-ready na tayo na. So this is nice ng lugar, ang linis. Then I think pang babae ito. Thank you for the mail dito daw sa may dulo. And basically, yun, ganda. And maraming mga staff dito, no? Yehey! So right now, okay naman yung yung mga products dito, do. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, 100% natural latex yung ginagamit nila, both sa shoes and syempre sa kanilang pillows and yung sa kanilang kama. And to be fair, okay naman. So same lang naman nung Pero sabi kasi nila, this is the world's biggest, no, latex manufacturer ng mga beds. Hindi lamang dito sa Thailand kundi sa buong mundo. O, 'di ba? Solid na solid. O, makikita mo talaga that these are a different kind of manufacturing or showroom dito sa syempre sa Thailand, Pattaya. So, syempre maglibot-libot muna tayo. Okay? So right now guys, babalik na kami sa bus. So this is our day 2 dito sa Thailand, and thank you so much Fuatex for touring us here sa inyong showroom, manufacturing area, and syempre seeing the biggest latex brand, natural 100%, dito mo lang makikita. Let's go.
I wanna hold you so much as long as love has a life. And I thank God I'm alive. You just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off of you. Not yet. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The size of you leaves me weak. Matter. Oh, they have no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that is true. You just too good to be true. Yes, but I can take my eyes off of you. Double travel into a raise up your hand, bow and sway. 1, 2, 3. Ba-dap, ba-dap, ba-da-dap, ba-da-dap, ba-dap, ba-da-dap, ba-da-dap, ba-dap, ba. Let's go. I love you, baby. And alright, I love you, baby. Jim, you're gonna say, good morning, po. How are you, po? Where are you going, po? Okay, you add the word po to make it more polite. And Thai people as well, we add word behind the sentence to make it more polite. What? If you are lady, okay? At the end of the word, you say ka. Open your mouth. Ka. Sawadika. Let's go. Sawadika. Yes. If you are gentleman, at the end of the word, you say the word crap. Close your mouth. Crap. Okay. Sawadika. Sawadika. Yes. Lady. Sawadika. Gentleman. Sawadika. Lady. Sawadika. Lady boy. Sawadika. Yeah. To in the middle of your eyebrows and your forehead. Two hands and bow your head down. Sawadika. The king, the queen, the God, the Jesus. And you would like to pay respect to father, mother, and teacher. Father, mother, and teachers. Okay? Teachers. Father, mother. This finger here to the nose. And the end of your eyebrows and bow your head down. If you would like to pay respect to someone who are elder than you, senior citizen. Okay? The finger to the chin and the nose. Yeah, ate, kuya, senior citizen. Okay. Yes. If you would like to pay respect to someone who are same age, or younger than you, in the middle of your chest, and bow your head down. Yes, okay. This is the last step. If you want to see more, lower step tonight, adult show.
Okay, right now guys, ito yung kanila tinatawag na mango sticky rice. So ita-try natin to. So unahin lang daw kain yung ano, para siyang malagkit na kanin sa Pilipinas, pero unahin yung mangga. Ang sa ganyan sunod, pag unang mangga kain, ay pour mo na agad. Okay. Okay, try natin. Okay, so right now, binibigyan tayo ng parang seminar na rin, no, regarding sa Thai or royal family na Thai na mga herbal. So, halimbawa, gusto niyo yung mga haplas, tulad dito, nalagyan na kami with agarwood na to guys. Medyo lesser yung amoy niya, just in case ayaw niyo yung usual na amoy, no? Kikita natin dito guys.
Compared to spray, and then kay Baman siya, you have to make an effort na i-massage doon siya sa imuhang lawas.
So basically, this kind of ano guys, part talaga to kapag mag-avail kayo ng travel and tours, kasi parang prerequisite to sa government dito sa Thailand, no, syempre para ma-showcase din yung mga major products dito sa Thailand, no. Dito nga located sa may Pattaya and also in Bangkok. Ito yung kanilang mga tester guys, ng kanilang mga products dito. They have herbal toothpaste, ano pa ba? Wax. Meron silang herbal oil, syempre panghilot. And ito yung mga, I think this is the agarwood. O pangpabango sa herbal na ano, panghilot, kasi nga 'di ba medyo panglola yung amoy. So they also have capsules dito guys. Hindi ko lang alam para saan to, pero usually para sa joint, diabetes. So kumpleto dito guys, and again guys, this is regulated by the government ng Thailand, kaya masasabi talaga natin na ano talaga, quality yung mga produkto nila dito. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. O yan yung mga sample. O meron silang Cyperus potondus, red amber, o saka pa honeycomb. O meron silang Alpinia galanga, charot lang. Hindi na natin maintindihan yung mga ano, lalo na to. Okay, so yes, after this guys, uwi na tayo. Let's go na.